Hi, welcome to Sew Tangle Quilts in Whitestone, Virginia. I'm Marion, and today I have an unboxing for you. And once again, I ordered way too much fabric and it all came in on the same day. So I'll probably break this into a couple different unboxings. The box that I got today, when I opened the box, it was just, took my breath away. It was so pretty. These very soothing tones of grays and taupe with these accents, these wonderful accents of silver and gold metallic. So let me show you. This fabric, I think, is just absolutely stunning, and I hope that you can see it. It has this blue-gray background with these really pretty kind of stylized flowers in gray with this pop of silver metallic on it. It's just stunning. It really is pretty. And this is the same pattern, but instead of, being the white and or the silver on the very pale gray, it's on a black background. And you can actually see the flowers, I think, better on this fabric. I'm going to call them mums, zinnias, I'm not sure. But anyway, again, it has that beautiful silver metallic on it. The next one, I suppose these are roses. Again, they're a very stylized floral design, and it's on a medium gray background, and the gray is more towards the blue side. And then it has these white flowers, again, with that silver metallic on it. The next one, it kind of reminds me of terrazzo. It's kind of like these little pebbles, again, on a light gray background. This one now is going into kind of a taupe color, a brownish gray color. And instead of the silver metallic, this one has gold metallic. So this one is more, where the silver was very subtle, this one's very in your face, that it's a metallic finish on it. Okay. And then we have this one, a very dark gray background with light gray leaves. And obviously these are roses with this beautiful silver, or not silver, gold metallic in the roses. Okay, and look how pretty these are. The next one, we're leaving the gray area behind, and we're going more into a taupe, kind of, very grayish brown color. And this one, the flowers are in a gray color. They're not the metallic, but it is gray with the overlay of the gold metallic on top of it. And this one is very pretty. It has this kind of swirl pattern in it with the gold metallic. Okay. And then there's one more, and hopefully that pile of fabric will not fall down.
We'll video it.
Well, there it went. What did you say, Dave? Dave told me not to stack all those up there. This is the last one, and we're going away from the floral into a geometric pattern. As you can see, these hexagons, and they're in shades of light gray, medium gray, darker gray, again, kind of on that taupe side with the pop of that gold metallic. So those are the fabrics that I got in today. I hope that you enjoyed them. If you get a chance, please follow me on Facebook. You'll be able to see all of the latest fabrics that I have in, along with, things like free patterns and coupons and things like that. Anyway, hope you have a good afternoon. Bye.